Hello everybody, welcome back to Trading with Zeph. Today I'm going to be going over the two trades that I took today. So it would be out of the 30 trade challenge, it'll be the 12th and 13th trade that I've taken. And I'm kind of going to do a bar by bar analysis and the two trades I took. I have one win, one loss, break even on the day. So I'm done trading. It's past 2:30. I'm going to start a cutoff time and try to do mornings instead of afternoons. But I just wanted to quickly jump into this, kind of go through it really quick for you guys, show you my two trades, but also show the context of what I was trading and how I was thinking. This is for myself mostly, but if anyone enjoys it and learns something, leave a like. Appreciate it. Okay, we open up, major trading range. Swings high, swing low, swing high, swing low. So I know pre-market is in a trading range. I then see a breakup. Nice little bull channel here. I don't see any entries really, and I also don't trade pre-market, but you could argue for a second entry long here. First entry long pullback. One tick higher, second entry long. That's a maybe. Breaks up, turns down. I don't see anything. You get a first entry. You can maybe argue for a failed second entry long here if you really want first entry long, second entry long, reverses, but it's also a maybe. Comes right back down to where you would expect is in the middle of the trading range. Find support. So then you have your first channel down, break, new extreme. You get a second leg within a second leg. You only get a first entry short, so nothing here. Now we're actually trading the market. First entry short, pullback, you never get a decent setup here. And there's a new extreme already formed, so probably couldn't take that anyways. It was really choppy. But then you do see this. I didn't actually take this. I'm wondering if anyone did and got caught. It's super choppy here, and you see swings higher and lower, which is like it's not the best. Also, this could be like a failed breakout, especially underneath here. I'm not really sure, but first entry short, pullback, second entry short, you have a great signal bar, and then no follow through, immediately reverses to a huge bull trend. So I don't know if you might take that one, you might not take that one. Maybe when you see this bar, you can also reverse your position immediately. I've seen this pattern multiple times now. I mean, you have your break, so you're looking for a new extreme, but I guess now that you're looking at it, you're also going straight into this support here and these lows. So maybe not. Not really sure about that one, to be honest with you. Your risk would have been 25, 1, under the 2 points as well. So yeah, I don't know. You might take that trade. You might reverse that trade. I'm not sure. Then you get your two legs up, basically. Nice bull channel. Comes back, touches the pre-market high, so expect down, trend channel down, and it's just choppy. It is making higher lows now after this actual bar here, but overall choppy day, choppy week, just choppy week. This was a hard week. First entry short, pullback, second entry short. I like this setup. This is a good setup here. I like this one a lot. Maybe a trend channel there. I think you have room to the upside too. You definitely have room to the upside. Your risk is pretty good here. 2 points, yeah. I like going long there. I'd take that trade. Nice channel up. Goes a little higher, so now you have a higher high, lower high. So you do have this trend channel. You could draw it for here if you wanted, and it would have worked out pretty well. Then you get a first entry long, pullback, second entry long. This one's definitely a maybe. It's at the middle of the actual channel here. You have room to go higher, but it's also kind of in this channel. So that one's probably a little risky. That one should probably be black. Probably, I don't know if I'd take that one. Then you get a bunch of dojis, and you just get this like really weird chop here. Nothing here to take really. You get two legs down, back makes a double bottom, You can maybe argue for a first entry long pullback, second entry long failure, because you can expect a second leg down after touching the high, after having these two legs. So that's definitely, that actually might be a maybe. It's a decent signal bar too. I'll leave that there. Double bottom. Then you get a first entry short, pullback, second entry short, failure. Decent bull bar. You have room to the high. So yeah, you might take that trade as well. I probably wouldn't take it just because the bar is too big for my stop, and unless you try to drop a limit order in here, but that one's a maybe. You get your trend channel up, break, new extreme forms, and then you get this nice signal bar to go short here at the top of the channel. That one's definitely a maybe, but you're just basically calling a top, so I wouldn't take that. Then this is where I came in, and I have a first entry long, pullback, second entry long. I just got here, so my nerves were not ready to trade, to be honest with you. So I should have taken this trade. This is really nice first entry long, second entry long, failure. So I messed up. I should have taken that trade. The only problem also that I saw when I was hesitating, 91.75 to... It's more than 2 points, 2.50, 2 points and 2 ticks. So would have worked out, but you can always pass on the trade. And I tried to drop a limit order, I think, back all the way up here, and it didn't work anyways. So yeah, so you get this. Let's see. Okay, and so then this is where my first trade came in. So this is where I messed up. Okay, this is where I messed up. This was a first entry short, pullback. This bar, okay, this bar is deceiving you guys right now. This bar was red, okay, but this is my mistake. I entered, this bar came up, turned red. So this bar was here above this bar, was red, turns down. So outside bar turning down, and I was like, oh, outside bar still has like 500 ticks left, and I'll just go short. That's a second entry short on a very bearish bar. Outside bar closing up, reverses down. Well, last second closes like this, all the way bullish green, and reverses. So trap me. Learn my mistake. I'm not going to be entering on bars that aren't finished closing. Yeah, so first trade of the day, big mistake, but learn from it, move on. Didn't let my emotions get too crazy on that from that loss. Okay, then I saw this first entry short, second entry short, not the best signal bar. Then I saw this and I was still hesitating and I didn't take it. Probably should have taken that trade. Whatever. Super soon after this one, so I'm going to be honest, I was a little tilted, but I'm doing better. I'm not getting super tilted on the trades and actually controlling my emotion. Channel, break, new extreme forms, chop sideways, and then this is when it begins. Huge bearish market down. I don't see anything in here that I like. I saw this, I was waiting for a second entry for 2 hours, nothing, no second entries at all. So I just had to sit on my hands. It's just what I had to do. Then this is where my second trade comes in. So let me zoom in here. I see that we're super bearish. I see I have break, pullback, second leg up, and I see this. This is where I take my second trade here, this pink arrow. And I see this. I draw my trend channels. Okay. And this isn't really a second entry at all. Okay. This is maybe a triple test if you want to make an argument for that, double top, whatever you want to call it. What I was thinking in my head, and I've seen it over and over again, this is context of the market. You have your channel up, break, new extreme. Okay. That's what I saw. I saw we try to go higher, reject off the midline. When I'm looking at this is what I'm seeing here. I think I drew my channel more up here. Yeah, this was pre-market. Yeah, this was pre-market. I'm sorry, I can't lock that, but this is what I saw. No hindsight. Channel down. Break of the channel. I'm looking for a new extreme. This is exactly how my thought process is going. Sorry, let me take a sip of coffee. This is exactly how I saw this play out. I saw a double top. I saw huge bear bars closing on their lows. I saw a pullback, bulls trying. Then I saw this. I drop a limit order, and I go for 2 points. My stop was perfect at 2 points right above, okay? And I immediately get filled. Now a new extreme is formed, and I expect market to go up, and that's what it does. Now we're just chopping alongside. That was my second trade, and so now I'm break even on the day, and I'm going for 2 points. I'm really trying to push myself for 2 points and really trying to understand the context to get those 2 points and pass on trades that I can't get 2 points, or take the trades and only go for the 1 point. So it's really discretionary, but those are the 2 trades I took. So that was the 13th trade. So 2 more and we're at the halfway mark. So really hard week with all the news is so choppy. Kind of the review part now. I know this is a little long of a video, but yeah, I learned a lot listening to Mark Douglas again, and really just trying to understand that you don't know what's going to happen, so there's no point in being frustrated with it. Trying to understand the context of the market a lot better and when to actually enter. I used to just get in trades trying to call tops or bottoms, but now I'm really being patient with my entries and like what patterns I'm taking. So yes, it's a struggle, but we're getting there. So on the actual daily chart, see, I'll slip over here. Nice 2 legs down. So yeah, really big sell-off these last few days. Like I said, this week's been bearish, but with all the news, it's just been been a surprise week. So expecting to fill this gap here, maybe test this previous trading range here. And yeah, I think that's all I have. So I know this is a long video, but this is for my sake, and just try to learn from what I can do better, and that's what I got to do. And this trade was definitely full discretionary and didn't meet my rules. But when you're actually watching it and like seeing what's happening, it's almost like you kind of get just this trading zone mind, and you just almost have a idea of what's most likely going to happen. And then this trade, I just messed up. That was me just entering too soon, trying to jump the gun. Shouldn't have done that. And then these failed second entries, I'm so like hesitant about. I like the second entries better. These failed second entries, I'm still learning, so that's why I hesitate so much on them. But anyways, let me wrap up this video. This is a pretty long video. It's gonna take a second to upload. Sorry for the rant, but yeah. All right, I'll see you guys Monday next week, and let's get a better week going. Thank you, everybody.